guys, we already opened some of the toys that she gave me.
we had a little of a bug.
Yeah. So I got Freddy in the blind box, and I got Chica in the back, of course. So
Yeah,
let's just get it over.
I tried to
Oh shoot!
build it.
No.
And today we are also going to be opening that.
And the shirt, yeah. No, we're not gonna open the shirt.
Oh, not the shirt. This.
Yeah, that's the only thing left.
Yeah, we're gonna open that next, which should be pretty quick.
Oh, can you get that piece?
Yeah, hurry. Just build the others. Look at this.
You okay? I heard your head bump.
Yeah, my head and my shoulder.
Wow. Are you okay?
Yeah, it just hurts a little. It's a little sore and it hurts. But I'm alright. Just a little bump.
Are you guessing yes or no? Just say.
Guess what? No, of course they're not.
No, it's a yes or no question. They didn't even hear the question.
That would be a no.
I would think a yes.
Why? What do you think that?
Because they're laughing so hard I could hear them from up here.
How can you hear that?
Because I could hear them. Can you hear them laughing?
No.
I just heard them laugh. Are you lying?
I'm pretty sure those people were downstairs. I mean the downstairs people, don't you?
Yes.
Then I would say
Oh, okay, yes. My question is yes.
I didn't understand. I thought you meant the viewers.
I know. It's so hard to tell. Who? Our viewers? No, of course not.
No, they wouldn't be. I mean, they wouldn't. That's why I said no. It's been 2 minutes and 12 seconds, or 13, 14, 15.
I know that I can read time. I'm not stupid.
Here, I'll keep this piece over here, okay?
I'm not stupid.
Where I can see it.
Okay, this one sucks. I mean, look at this.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, I guess.
Now I just have to put it on the platform.
I'm gonna build Golden Freddy.
And then, how do we do this? Now, let me see.
So guys, technically we're almost out of time, but we still have enough time to do this.
Yeah.
Do you think they are? Because they are laughing so loud I could hear them from up
You
here.
want me to check?
No, don't, please. Don't.
Okay.
No, don't, please.
This doesn't go together very well. Here, you try to get those together and I'll check.
Oh, shoot.
I'm going to be gone for a second or two, okay?
Don't ask them.
I won't ask. I'm just going to peek, okay?
Okay.
No, they're talking and drinking wine and stuff.
Hennessy.
Yeah, put this yellow block of yours up.
Alright, here. It's like a ghost face.
Okay, you can go check.
No, I'm not gonna check.
Look at them. Let's.
I'm gonna put it on top of Chica. So, guys, you have to build your own spring trap. I already have Foxy. I have Golden Freddy. I don't have Freddy. This is Freddy. And you could get Bonnie and you could get Chica. I only need Bonnie and Chica left. And then I could build my whole spring trap, but I don't want to build him. I can't actually because one of his limbs broke. One of his pop things broke. Because I was trying to pop it in and then it popped. It cracked.
Oh.
So I don't even care about spring trap now.
So you just care about fun. Oh. The spring trap would be cool. What do you think it would look like?
No, he looks ugly.
I know. It'd be scary. Right. Did it pop in?
Yeah, it popped in, but then I cracked it.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's still okay. It's in my room.
Good. I saw some. I mean, like, they look freaky in the room, you know. Oh, am I the way? Oh my god. I was like, oh. I'll do this. This will look funny. on a track. This is a little hard.
Ooh, I got. Wow.
I think it's funny for some reason.
Okay, so we got Springtrap's right arm, and it comes with a microphone for Freddy.
Yeah.
Wow, just popped right out my mouth, the microphone.
Wow.
So I'm gonna put the microphone on in his
And
hand.
this is what we're kind of built it.
Wow. That looks so bad, doesn't it? Oh, and guys, if you haven't seen my mom's friend's son channel, please check it out. It's called The Fire Lava. The Fire Lava. And sorry guys, I cannot watch it right now because I'm just using a normal camera, wirelessly connected to my computer. And here's Freddy. So like, oh, it's like a little pop limb.
Chica by herself.
And this is like a little pop limb.
Yeah, that's kind of where it pops.
No, on Freddy, yeah, pop limb. Like, so you could like pop it off.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So yeah, that's all we can kind of show you.
Yeah, I'll wear this shirt later.
Yeah, you can make a video later.
No, I'm just gonna wear it tonight. I love it.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, won't pop in anymore.
Oh shoot! I don't want to throw like the limbs away, or else it's like just wasting money. So I'm just gonna collect the limbs and then put them in a piece in a video.
Hey, why don't you put this back?
And guys, right next we're gonna do.
Next, we don't make much videos together since we're cousins.
We live separately, and she's always on somewhere else.
Not always going somewhere else. I'm usually at home.
No, you're usually at school.
Yes, and you're usually at school too.
Okay, let me do it. I know how to do it.
And he is usually at school too.
I know where that goes. The fudge.
We'll call this boy Mr. Ghosty.
Mr. Ghost Freddy. Mr. Gold Freddy. Mr. Ghost Gold Freddy.
Mr. Ghost Freddy.
You want to connect with me?
Yeah. If I can find a phone.
Can you get off?
Yeah.
You sit on the blue chair.
And I'll see you later. Please like that.
Hit that like button.
Bye. See you.
Hold on. No. Hit that. Punch that subscribe button. And also that like. So
we can say a slap goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
What the heck happened to the power?
What happened?
To the power.
What happened? Why is it red?
Get out. Oh shoot, Freddy.
I was like right behind. I know you can see my eyes.